Got a 2007 International 7500 cabin chassis here. It's got the HT570 engine in it, which is the larger version of the DT series. HT stands for high torque. 9.3 liters, 310 horse. Has an Allison 3500 RDS transmission with PTO. Single 3/8 frame, 40K rears, spring suspension, single locker, so interlock and then a locker on the back axle. You can see it has a frame extension here. Truck was owned by the U.S. Forest Service. Probably guessed that by the color. Nice clean interior. It's got dual air seats. Power mirrors. Has a 3-stage engine brake. So 634 miles. And let's see here. 2011 total engine hours. The final year for a good international engine, pre-emission, no particulate